Here I've got ALCATEL OneTouch Idol free, and let me show you how to perform a hard reset on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all settings, then scroll down, find and select Backup and Reset, and then click on Factory Data Reset. Now you have to be aware that it will erase all data from your phone's internal storage, including your Google account, system backup data and settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, and other user data. So if you truly want to do it, if you truly want to wipe all data from your Alcatel, click on Reset Phone. And now you have to confirm it one more time because this operation cannot be undone and you will lose all the personal data. So click on Erase Everything and wait a couple of minutes. As you can see, it's erasing all the information. And that's it, now you can set up your device as a new one. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.